Hello, it's Crafty Rhea. I am here today to share with you some of the Christmas cards that I have received so far this year from you. I am offering a Christmas card exchange. If you would like to send me a Christmas card, my post office box address is in the description box below. Please feel free to send me one and I will send you one back. If it ends up being too late for Christmas, I'll send you a winter card in the mail. So let's go ahead and get started. This first one is from my BFF, Valerie. She handmade this beautiful card. Her and I exchange cards every year. I've already sent her one, and I believe she's received the one I sent her. So that is absolutely beautiful. She distressed the edges. She added some glitter, and it's very, very pretty. This second card I have received is from across the globe. It is from Slovenia, and it is from Davor, I think you would say her name, D-A-V-O-R. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I'm so sorry if I said your name wrong. There is some beautiful stitching all the way around the Santa, and that is a beautiful gold foil Santa. I went ahead and put a card to her right back out in the mail, so I hope you get it soon. Very cool. This card is from one of my fellow YouTube friends, one of the sweetest ladies you'd ever want to meet. Her name is Rosemary, and her channel is Rosemary's You Rock Art. She is awesome, and I want to be careful because there is all of this wonderful confetti inside, and I don't want to get it all over. That is really, really pretty. I will put that in a little baggie and I will reuse that. And it says, "Dear Maria, thanks for all your love and support. You rock." Rosemary, you rock too. You are awesome. And this card is awesome, and it will go up on my wall with my other cards, and I will get your card out to you. I have one that I made specially for you. I just have not mailed it yet. This card I want to show you, she put it in the envelope with this neat card protector. It's just an extra piece of cardstock between the card and the envelope so it doesn't tear. And there is this gorgeous snowman. It looks like it's just made from a couple of cutout circles and some buttons and a paper scarf. And then these snowflakes are stamped on the card, and then there's some glitter down here. Very, very pretty. And this, I don't want to open it all the way because she did write me a note. This is from Vicky. Thank you so much, Vicky. This is a beautiful card. And then my last card that I received is this one. And this is from Linda. And she sent me a really nice letter, which I won't read online because it is a little bit personal, but it is a beautiful card with this beautiful poinsettia, and she sent me some tea, which I love tea, and in the winter I really love peppermint tea. That is really awesome. And my happy mail that I got was this package from Amazon, and there was this note. It is from my friend Anne. She is awesome. I've known Anne for a few years from back in Jamberry days. We used to sell Jamberry together, and she is just such a sweet person. And look at this box, of course. It has bling. So let's open it up and see what kind of bling it has inside. Oh wait, there's something else in here. There is this angel keychain. Now I don't know if this is part of this or if it was in there by accident or on purpose, but that is really, really cool. I like that. It's not really an angel. It is like kind of like a Tinkerbell, a fairy. That's what I'm trying to think of. I said the wrong thing. Okay, so we have this box of this really cool bling. And it looks like these are the strips of bling, just like you get from the Dollar Tree and stuff. So we have the multicolor and the purple and red and the clear. This is such a pretty color green. I love that bright green. I happen to be wearing a shirt that same color today. And this is a gold, pink, and a very pretty blue. Very cool. Thank you so much, Anne. You know this bling will be put to good use. Thank you so much, everyone, for the Happy Mail. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate you. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do click that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Also, if you haven't checked out my Facebook group, Create with Crafty Rhea, please head on over there. I would love it if you checked that out. We have a wonderful family there as well. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you very much. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.